In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export objects from Hubspot efficiently and effectively, making sure you have all your data exactly when you need it. This process can be really straightforward if you follow the right steps, and I'm here to guide you through it. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser and navigate to the Hubspot homepage. This is where it all begins, and if you're using Hubspot regularly, you'll already be somewhat familiar with this step. Once you're there, look toward the upper right corner of the page and click on the Login button. Enter your credentials to access your Hubspot account. Remember, it's always good practice to keep your login details secure and signed in only when you're using them. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Hubspot Home dashboard. This is your main hub for accessing all tools and features within Hubspot. From here, the next thing you need to do is navigate over to the specific object you're planning to export. Whether it's contacts, companies, or another category of data, ensure you know exactly what you're looking for so you can access it swiftly. Let's head over to the contacts category as a common example, because for many businesses this is where a lot of the critical data lies. On the left hand side of the dashboard, click on Contacts. This action will direct you to the Contacts section, where all your saved information is listed. Once there, check over your list to make any necessary adjustments or just quickly review the data you plan to export. From the top panel of this section, you'll notice an Export button. Click on it to start the export process. Now you'll be prompted to choose the format for your export. This is important because the format determines how you'll be able to use your data once it's downloaded. Typically, you might want to choose a CSV file, as this tends to work well with Excel and other data analysis tools. Make sure to select the format that best fits your specific needs. After choosing the format, you simply need to finalize the export. Click Export and your file will begin downloading. Depending on the size of your data and your internet speed, this could take a moment. So go ahead and grab a coffee if you like, but don't forget to check that the download completes successfully. And that's it, you have successfully exported your objects from Hubspot. Always remember to keep backups of these exports as part of your data management best practices. By regularly exporting and storing your vital data, you ensure your business remains agile and informed no matter what the future brings. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide was helpful. Enjoy exploring your exported data.